Hey friends, I'm Mr. Boom Boom and welcome back to my music room. Today we are doing a beginner's bucket drumming lesson where we're only going to play rhythms that have quarter notes. Now we're going to use different parts of our bucket in order to get different sounds. And we're going to play to a super silly song called Belly of Jelly. I know that's a super silly name for a song, but it sounds really cool and it's gonna sound even better when you're playing the buckets along with the song. Now, let's learn the basic rhythms. Are you ready? Now, make sure you have your drumsticks, make sure you have your bucket, and most importantly, make sure you have a grown-up supervision. Okay, we're gonna play quarter note patterns alternating between the middle and the edge. All right, so this is the pattern. Middle, edge, middle, edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. That's our first pattern. The second pattern, we're going to use the side of the bucket like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it? All right, we're gonna do one more pattern where we hit the middle of the bucket and then click our sticks. Middle, click, middle, click, middle, click, middle, click, middle, click, middle, click. Very good, and done. So we have 3 patterns. The first pattern, middle, edge, middle, edge, middle, edge. Second pattern, middle, edge, middle, side, middle, edge, middle, side. Last pattern goes like this. Middle, click, middle, click, middle, click, middle, click. That's it. Those are the 3 basic patterns that we're going to play to the song Belly of Jelly. All right, if you're ready to play to the song, we're going to do a big drum roll on our buckets now. You ready? 1, 2, 3, drum roll. Let's play. All right, both hands at the same time. Middle, edge, middle, edge. Let's do it again. Here we go. Let's go. All right, let's do a drum roll. Ready? Drum roll. Back to the beginning. Middle, edge, middle, edge, middle, edge. Hey grown-ups, support Mr. Boom Boom's Music Room by hitting the red subscribe button. That way you'll know every time we post a new video. And if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button as well. If you like the drumsticks that I use in my videos, you can order them right now on my website, MrBoomBoom.com. You can order these drumsticks, my practice drum pads, shirts, and apparel. So go to MrBoomBoom.com or scan the QR code on your screen. Hey everyone, it's Mr. Boom Boom. Today we are going to learn quarter note drum patterns for our buckets. Let's click our sticks. Very nice. So, this video is perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone who wants to learn how to bucket drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we're gonna move to the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're only doing quarter notes here. Keep it on the side. 2, 3, 4. All right, now we're gonna switch to the edge, the snare sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pay attention to your sticking. Follow me. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right, hit in the middle, followed by clicks. Here we go. Middle, middle. Remember, that middle gives us our base. So if you hear me say base, that means the middle of our bucket. All right, we're about to rock out. And freeze 2, here we go. One, 2, 3, 4. That right hand is gonna keep hitting the middle of our bucket. Our left hand is on the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, keep it going. All right, we're about to switch it up and only hit the middle. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, all quarter notes, nothing complicated. Right, left, right, left. Keep it going, same pattern. All right, we're gonna add something. We're gonna go middle, edge, side, click. Middle, edge, side, click. Keep it going. Middle, edge, side, click. Middle, edge, side, click. And we're gonna take a quick pause. Now, if you like the drumsticks that I'm using, you can actually order these on my website, MrBoomBoom.com, or scan the QR code on your screen. All right, back to the side. Now we're gonna go in the middle, start off nice and soft. Keep it building up, a little louder, little louder. 1, 2, and freeze! Rock out, here we go! Keep that right hand on the middle. Left hand's hitting that edge or that snare on the 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And don't forget, at the end of the video, hit the like button. Let's go. Rock out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and stop. Hey guys, did you know that I have a book, There's Something in My Closet Out? You can order it right now by visiting MrBoomBoom.com or scan the QR code on your screen. I hope everyone had a great time bucket drumming with me today to the song Belly of Jelly. Now, if you haven't done so, hit the like button for this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, Mr. Boom Boom's Music Room, make sure you grab a grown-up and hit the subscribe button so you'll know every time I post a new lesson here in my music room. All right, I'm gonna say bye now. Can you all say bye, Mr. Boom Boom? Bye, guys. I'll see you again soon. Let's play some more. Bye-bye.